Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will teach you about the offshore car accident lawyer in USA 2023. Okay, so here we will see the offshore injury attorney, maritime and Jones Act lawyer. Okay, so this domain is very high. Okay, offshoreinjuryfirm.com, setting the standard for maritime law. Throughout our legal careers, we have recovered billions of dollars in verdict and settlements. Arnold and Litkin fought hard to win the biggest jury verdict in the history of Louisiana, record-setting $29 million settlement recovered for a family who lost a loved one in a fatal offshore accident. Okay, $41 million secured in a case involving a wronged client and one of the largest corporations in Hawaii. Okay, so yes, they are best in business. If you or a loved one has been injured, we encourage you to reach out to us now. We can help you take the necessary steps to fight for what you deserve. In 2013, the CDC released a study looking into fatal offshore injuries. They noted that someone working in the offshore oil and gas industry is 7 times more likely to die than the other worker. As officially the most dangerous industry in the country, it is no surprise that maritime workers find themselves suffering from devastating, even life-altering injuries. As an injured maritime worker, you have special rights and ways to seek compensation, and you need the help of the best attorneys to win. Okay, he never considered me as a number. So that's it for the video. See you in next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.